Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Linux app. Today we're gonna take a look into the application software installer and uninstaller right here in Linux. And I'm using my daily driver, which is the Big Linux. And of course, we're gonna take a look into this. First up, it's all about Big Store. And of course, when I open this one, well, you have all the categories from the browser, email, cloud storage, download, sharers and torrents, messenger and conference, remote access, network tools, and news feed and RSS. And of course, we have the Office category. We have the Office Suite, PDF, viewers, the PDF editors, and the calendars, tasks, and contacts. Right here we have the graphics for the image screenshot, image editor and drawing tool, converters, and 3D and CAD or CAD editors. In our multimedia, we have the audio player, audio recorder and converters, video players, video editors and compressors, webcam and screen recording, online radio, audio editors, online video, IPTV and YouTube, and the last one is the CD and DVD recorders and copiers. Next is our games. In our games we have a little bit more, so I have to a little bit make this big. So in our games we have the game messenger, game utilities, emulators, retro arch emulators, game creators, arcades and action games, educational games, card games, strategies, puzzle, RPG, role-playing games. We have also the others and the boards. Now let's go to our system, the last system and development. We have the storage partition, fonts, visualization, Java, code editors, database, and web servers. So this is the Big Store. So for example, if we are looking for some browsers, you could go to the internet and click the browser. Then you have all those stuff right here. You could download anything what you want. As you can see, I have the red ones, which is installed already, while the green ones not yet installed. So I could download this one. For example, I go back to my home and I'm searching for another application. For example, if I'm looking for a Office, so I entered Office into my search bar, and there you have it. I have a lot of Office to choose from. We have the LibreOffice, the OnlyOffice, and I also have different choices right here. For example, if I wanted to look for another software, VLC, let's enter that one in our search bar. So as you can see, I have a lot of VLC. I have the latest VLC 3.0.21-9. You could also click in each category, like for example the PDF editors. You could use this one to edit your PDF, but I preferred my PDF editor right here on the desktop editor. May I click this one? As you can see, I could edit this one through this OnlyOffice. So now let's try to download some of our favorite application. So let's try to download Viber. Just click and install, and wait for the application to show what are the needs to be clicked, like the summary. And of course, don't forget to put your super secret password. And if you are doubt with the software, you could open this one, the details, what are the application is being installed in your computer. This depends on the internet service provider that you have. For example, I have the fiber ISP, which is connected right here. So it depends on your system right here on your servers. So as you can see, it is downloading right here. Oh, it is now successfully installed. Let's close this one. And let's open Viber. Let's minimize this first before anything else. Let's look for our Viber in our messenger, which is in the internet. So as you can see, you could like try to install this via this connection, and then just use the QR code to sign in into your Viber. How about the audio editors? So I have already the Audacity, but I also wanted to mix my music. Well, I have to use the Mix with the XXX DJ software, and I have the LMMS for the music compiler. So you could use this one to make music. So let's try to download the Mix with the XXX. You have all those screenshots right here to select if you want to customize your Mix with the XXX DJ software. Now let's try to install it. Don't forget your super secret password. And of course, just click apply. The AI will take over to download the proper application software needed to your computer. So as you can see, it is still downloading. I could like go to another software, which is our software center Discover. Let's open this one. It is another application software installer. For example, I want to download the Gcomprise. Let's try to download Gcomprise via the Discover application software center. And right here on the upper right, you have the installation from the flat hub, and just click that one and it will just install it for you. It is all based in AI. So as you can see right here in the bottom left, you have the task, which is trying to install and download. It is still in 0%. So let me minimize this one as it is installing right here. I accidentally closed the Discover Software Center. Let me try to fetch the updates first and minimize that one. And then let's go to the Manjaro Software Center. There you have it. When I click it right here, you have all those applications. Let me drag this one so that you could see everything. So if you want to download your favorite application, well, you could always use the 3 software center to download your favorite application. For example, if I want to look, just go right here on the search bar on the upper left and click in the search bar and look for your favorite software. For example, I'm looking for some fonts. And of course, when I click enter, you have all the fonts from the Japanese, Chinese, Singaporeans, Let me see if we have Hindu. Yes, we have Hindu, Malay, Hebrew, and all those stuff. Cool, right? Okay, let's try to look for another software. Okay, let's install the Gcomprise right here. As you can see on the upper right, you have the installation from the flat hub, and then try to click install. Right here in the bottom left, you have the task, which shows you the percentage of the software that is trying to be installed in your computer. Right here in our Manjaro, we could also try to install. Right here, for example, I'm trying to look for some Gcomprise. See, I could also download right here. And then click apply. And hit the password. And it will be installed. For example, if I want to install the K-Stars, the planetarium application, we could click right here, clicking the installation, and then it will installing right here. Let's try to finish the software fully installed. Let's wait to install everything. So I have 3 software. We're trying to install everything. Okay, so let's wait. Everything will be finished in a while. So the Mix XXX already finished. Let's minimize this one and let's try to install the Gcomprise. Let's click this one and of course try to enter your super secret password to give way to installation to be completed. Okay, how about this one? Our K-Star, it is trying to install. It is 99% already. While our Gcomprise, let's move this one right here. Okay, so our K-Star astronomy software is also installed. Let's minimize this one and then try to wait for the Gcomprise to be finished. And of course our Gcomprise is also successfully installed. Let's minimize this one. And let's try to look for the recent application. So we are trying to look for the... Okay, we have the Gcomprise. Let's open this one. Alright. Okay, let's download everything first. On the background. Okay, everything is download completed. Of course, this is a learning tool for the kids. We have the baby keyboard, the baby mouse, even the baby word processor. We also have the different application. Let's look for some logics. So lights on, lights off, or even like chemistry experiment, geography. So locate the region, locate the countries, explore the monuments.
Explore monuments around the world.
No, the Great Wall of China. How about this one? Oh, the Colosseum. It is located in Rome, in Italy. How about right here? Oh, we have the Inca. How about this one? We have the historic archipelagic city in the southern Jordanian. Okay, cool. So let's go back to our home. How about this one? We have some maze
Use
right
the arrow
here.
keys or swipe the touchscreen to help Tux find his way out.
Okay. We could like move the Tux towards our goal.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. How about the memory game against Tux?
Click on a card and find its double.
Okay. Let's just click this one. Hippo. What is this? A turtle. Oh my gosh. Hippo and turtle. Same. Alright. How about this one? Yes. And the last one. Yes, I won.
Fantastic.
Alright, so let's just move on. We have also the numbers right here, arithmetics, measurements. We have the puzzle right here, letters, words, vocabularies. And what is this? It's a game. Okay. So let's close this one. Proceed to another software that we just downloaded. How about the K-Star? Okay, for example, I'll be using the Philippines to locate Manila, to locate some stars right here. As you can see, this is the southern portion, and we have the galaxy, Milky Way galaxy right here, passing from the zenith. This is the northeast now. How about this one? Where is the Polaris? There it is. Okay, that is K-Star. How about the other software that we just downloaded? The mix with the triple X. Of course, I'll be using the music library for this one. Then let's maximize this one. As you can see, I haven't put anything yet right here. But of course, you have the play button right here, and the pause, the cue, the hotkeys right here, and the 4-bit loop, or the 16-bit, 8-bit, 32-bit, and so on. And you have the pitch control right here. And if you want to just sync, I don't have any MP3 or WAV form right here. So how do you uninstall? Of course, you just click right here and click apply, and it will just gonna be uninstalled. See, it is now finished. It is uninstalled. Okay, that is how to uninstall software. And for example, this one, I want to remove the K-Star. Of course, just remove, click remove, and then there you have it. K-Star is uninstalled. Okay, let's close this one. And through the big Linux, for example, I want to uninstall the triple X mix with the triple X, just click remove. So if you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. I am Blair, your science, computer, and mathematics teacher. Bye for now, and see you in the next episode of the Linux app. Today's episode, it's all about the software center. From the big Linux big store to the KDE Discovery Software Center and the Manjaro Software Center. Bye for now, and see you next time. Ciao!